Talk about cameras recording what you're fucking doing for advertising.
Leading to a sudden release of high
This is
temperature
what
gas
YouTube is
and
showing me.
flammable materials, which is called thermal runaway.
This was the first one that made me notice it was kind of odd that a video on YouTube showed up, and I had in my camper batteries just like that.
Okay, light pause right there. Why would it happen to show me, okay, that video? Why would it do that when this is like a laser pointer? Just got it. And look what's in it. Now, why is it showing me this fucking video on an advertisement inside this in YouTube if it's not obviously
I have plenty of those batteries.
picking up what I'm doing?
I had all kinds of gadgets with those exact kind of batteries in it.
Obviously.
And then recently, within the last couple of days,
Yeah.
I fly my drone and I flew it by a cell phone tower. And then I get a video with a drone flying by a cell phone tower. My mom, I'm bald headed, so my mom got me this razor, and these are the videos that show up. It's got, I mean, it's the exact same kind of razor. I didn't Google anything. I didn't like type anything. It's like, anyways, I was joking with that. I have some kind of telepathy, synthetic telepathy or whatever going on. And I told it said it was supposed to be AI. Said the same thing. I stay up sometimes and do my thing, and it said, had this video up on there about staying up and birds talking. I've noticed a couple of nights the moon just like has this double hologram of faces in it, and this guy, like the next day, this is all within like a couple of days, he had a video up talking about faces in the moon. And not, I mean, I don't know, the ones that look like that I seen look pretty much like that, but of a bunch of them, I always use a bazooka on this game I play, Population 1, and this thing popped up. The only game that me and my little boy used to ever play was Subway Surfer, and we had mentioned it like the day or day before. Like I said, I have some kind of telepathic crazy shit going on, and it keeps on showing videos. I was at a thrift store and seen a noticed hardcore of a surfboard like that, or a ski board. That same day, my mom and her friend were practicing dancing, same type dance. That video pops up. Went on the Oculus thing I got. I don't Google this, search this stuff. It's like, how does it showing me videos? It's Population 1. This looks like the same thing that I see when I'm playing Population 1, and it shows videos of the same thing. I'd actually said I'd build drones and fly them and stuff, and I said like that day I need to make some waterproof drones, and didn't have my phone around at all, and they showed me a flight controller getting water on it. I was at Walmart and I seen a dog or a lady with a service animal, and this is a store with a lady with a service animal, faces in the like the clouds. I'm seeing holographic faces. I mean, it's not anything, and it's popping up. All of my feed is like. Anyways, I got that same type of frequency bowl. I've never Googled it. I don't know how it's like knows, but it's like, I mean, it's a sound bowl. It's a frequency bowl, and you like smack it. I was selling an iPhone that I had an extra one of, and I guess it could have noted that from putting it on my marketplace. I was thought about getting on Suboxone, and I told my sister that in a text message, so that was on my phone, but it shows pulling up stuff on that, and then it's going to show me something like this, or mental health, drugs, alcohol, or mental health. it's just like feeding me what I think about sometimes. My friend Christina, she said she's seen a glitch and an airplane was paused in the air. That night, this video pops up that's talking about a guy that sees an airplane and it's just a hallucinate or an illusion. I tell the AI, they're always messing with me. They're like, "You're Anunnaki? Are you Anunnaki? Oh, he's an Earth angel. He's an undercover angel." And I was like, "No, I think the reason that I'm getting like hell right now is because I'm part of the 144,000 that's going to bring people." And I tell the voices that I hear this, and then these videos pop up talking about, "Are you part of the 144,000?" This is all within a couple of days. Something's listening, something's like watching. It's like I don't even have to like Google search it. If you Google it or whatever, I mean, that's one thing. It could just pick it up in your feed or whatever. But I mean, some of the stuff is just like I don't have my phone around me.